In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can screenshot a Snapchat without them knowing, so keep watching. So first we're going to go on to Snapchat. As you can see, so if I tap to view the snap and then I screenshot it, you can see that there's a notification that says you took a screenshot. So right now I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification and screenshot without them knowing at all. So first things first, what you want to do is go to your Wi-Fi's and then you want to turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn on your airplane mode. Now once those are done, you can click on the Snapchat and then you can screenshot it as many times as you want. And then once you finish screenshotting, what you want to do is basically exit out. As you can see, once you exit it out, you want to actually clear it. And what you want to do right now is uninstall Snapchat. So uninstall. Once you've uninstalled it, you want to go to your app store. So it says that you're offline. So then now that once you've uninstalled it, you can turn your Wi-Fi back on and turn your airplane off. All right, and then now we're gonna try again. Oops. So now that you turn your Wi-Fi back on, it should be able to work. Just go to your app store and then type in Snapchat. Snapchat. Install. And then what you want to do is just log into your account. Okay, so once you've logged into your Snapchat account, just go to chat. And as you can see, it did not even register me opening that second snap.